As e-commerce continues to grow, Walmart Marketplace has emerged as a major player in the industry. With its vast customer base and reputation for affordability, Walmart Marketplace offers a unique opportunity for dropshippers to expand their businesses. In this guide, we'll take you through the steps required to start dropshipping on Walmart Marketplace in 2024. Step 1. Research products and competitors. Before you begin selling on Walmart Marketplace, it's essential to research the products you want to sell and your competitors. Identify products that are in high demand, have low competition, and are profitable. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and Walmart's own product search to identify these products. Step 2. Register for Walmart Marketplace. To sell on Walmart Marketplace, you'll need to register for an account. Go to the Walmart Marketplace website and click on Sell on Walmart to begin the registration process. You'll need to provide your business information, including your legal name, address, and tax ID number. Step 3. Set up your store. Once you've registered, you'll need to set up your store. This involves creating product listings, setting prices, and uploading product images. Walmart Marketplace provides a user-friendly interface for creating listings, making it easy to get started. Step 4. Find a dropshipping supplier. To dropship on Walmart Marketplace, you'll need to find a reliable dropshipping supplier. Look for suppliers that offer fast shipping, competitive prices, and high-quality products. You can find suppliers through online directories, social media, or by searching for them on Google. Step 5. Integrate your dropshipping supplier. Once you've found a dropshipping supplier, you'll need to integrate them with your Walmart Marketplace store. This involves setting up an API connection between your store and the supplier's system. Walmart Marketplace provides detailed instructions on how to do this, making it easy to get started. Step 6. Manage orders and inventory. As orders come in, you'll need to manage them and ensure that your inventory levels are accurate. Use a dropshipping software or tool to automate this process, making it easier to manage orders and inventory. Step 7. Optimize your listings. To maximize your sales on Walmart Marketplace, it's essential to optimize your product listings. Use high-quality images, detailed product descriptions, and competitive pricing to attract customers. Use keywords and product tags to improve your search engine rankings. Step 8. Provide excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service is crucial to success on Walmart Marketplace. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, resolve any issues quickly, and provide timely shipping. This will help you build a positive reputation and attract repeat customers. In conclusion, starting dropshipping on Walmart Marketplace in 2024 requires research, registration, store setup, supplier integration, order management, listing optimization, and excellent customer service. By following these steps, you can expand your dropshipping business and take advantage of the growing popularity of Walmart Marketplace.